Morning, YouTube. I'm hungry. And welcome to the backyard, son. If this is your first time here, find that subscribe button and smash it. If you've been here a lot, thank you for coming back, all right? Today, I'm hungry as normal. And we're going to make ourselves some McDonald's steak, egg, and cheese bagels like Copycat, right? If you're from the UK, well, you know they recently took it off the menu. And if you're in the US and you look on the McDonald's app, it ain't there anymore. You can still get in the stores, most of them anyways, but I'm afraid it's going away in the US soon. So let's look at some ingredients, right? You gotta have your egg. You gotta have your steak, right? Look at this steak, son. Look at this. Look at this. I get this from Walmart. They're called steakies. Look at these steakies. They come looking like that, all right? You throw them in the freezer. When you want them, you get them out. We're just gonna put that on there. They take about 5 minutes to cook, all right? We're not gonna wait no 5 minutes though. What else we got? We got cheese, we got a bagel. We got our secret sauce, son. Our secret sauce. Our secret sauce is really, it is the best mayonnaise in the world. All right, we got some Dukes. All right, and look at this mustard. This ain't regular mustard, son. This is some Dill Mustard, all right? We're gonna make that work. And we got some onions, all right? We're gonna throw our onions on there too. All right? What I have set up so far is this side of my grill is the hot side, right? This side over here is cooler. We're just going to give it a second because you know that egg ain't in it. The egg don't take very long to cook. All right. With our egg though, I got these two yolks. Look at these yolks. Look at them. Can you see them? You can't see them, but they're not broken yet. I'm just gonna break them. I'm not really going to beat them up too much. I'm doing just enough to break them. All right. Look at that. Nice and broken. Come back. Just move this around. All right. Just move it around. Look at that. They don't have to be too well done. I'm not trying to get them translucent. I'm just trying to give them a little flexibility. All right. Our steak, it's a beautiful steak. It's going to cook there. Where'd my egg ring go? There's my egg ring, son. Look, I'm using a square. Right? Here goes the square egg ring. You don't have to do this. I do this for me. I want it to look beautiful. I just spray a little bit of Pam on it. I got my egg mixture over here. And remember, all I did was make it so that the yolks were broken. I'm going to pour them in there. Oh my God, son. Just let that sit. It's going to cook. So we're just going to fast forward this just a little bit while it cooks, right? We'll be right back. You know, we're not going to touch that. Just let it sit. It's doing its own job, all right? All right, guys. My onions, look at those tips. They're starting to burn up a little bit. I'm going to just move them around, all right? I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to them. Just a little bit of oil to those onions. Make them look beautiful. Look at them go. That's a lovely treat right there. Today I'm using canola oil too. We'll put the oil over here because who doesn't like some greasy steak? All right. Just let that go. Let it get all nice and moisture and greasy and goodness, son. Look at that. Look at it go. Oh, man. You know, it sure is nice being fat. Fat people know how to eat, son. Look at that nice. Oh my goodness. It already is looking like McDonald's. You know what we have to do? I almost forgot. Our secret sauce. All right, secret sauce. Again, guys, all this is Dukes and some Dill Mustard. We're going to take it. Look here. Look here. You want one full part of the mayonnaise and like a half a part of the mustard. You just stir that in there, make it look creamy, make it look good, son. Just look at it go. Hopefully y'all all getting a good taste of this. This is like taste division. Look at that. We're not going to use all this, but it's what I got, all right? So we mix that together. It looks good. Remember, Dill Mustard. Dill Mustard, not regular mustard. Our steak is looking good. It's going to be cooked off soon. All right? I'm going to move it over here to my cold side and just let it sit and relax and love itself. Because now we're going to brown up. We're going to toast some bread, son. These are Thomas's. You got to get the good ones. Don't go cheap on this. This is breakfast food, you know. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. I'm going to take these onions. They're starting to get a little dark. I'm going to put them right there. I don't really like onions, but McDonald's uses onions. you know? So we're going to use onions too. Just not the ones that I burnt. Throw them on there. I got some onions going. This here is coming along all right. Oh, maybe not as all right as I thought I wanted it to be. Give that a little bit of heat over there. Turn it down. Maybe move you. Well, come on over here. Get warm. It's going, you know, if you're in a cold climate like I am, what I really should have done is I should have put like a lid on this. What is it called? A lid. Like a dome, a lid. And then squirted water and let it steam. And, you know, I'm not going to lie to you. That's kind of what I was going to do. Right? But then I forgot to bring the stuff out here. Look, I got the water. I don't got the dome, son. Right? So it didn't happen. You know, what McDonald's does is they use a folded egg. This is going to look better than some folded egg, all right? Let's flip these around. They're starting to toast up good. All right, we're going to let this side toast. Oh, my goodness, son. Let's see how this is looking. It's going to run, and I'm okay. See, and this is why I don't like these. I don't like these because the silicone, I don't think gets hot. When you use the other ones, the sides get hot too. Let's see what this is going to look like. Oh, not so bad. Not so bad. I'll just stick this off to the side. Right? And I'm going to flip this. Look at that. Get rid of these. Put them over here. Guys, this doesn't have to be hard when you're in the backyard, all right? I'm going to take my cheese. My 2 pieces of cheese. If I can get it off this plate. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look, they go right on top of here. All right? Wow. This 1 piece of cheese. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right? Let's bring that egg. That egg. It's time for that egg to come on over. All right? We'll put that there. Come on off. There you go. Oh, my God, son. This looks better than McDonald's so far. Guys. Oh, my goodness. Guys. Now, McDonald's, they put their secret sauce in between the egg and the steak. McDonald's always does stuff half-assed backwards, if you ask me, though. So I'm going to put mine right here on the top of my bagel, all right? Look at this, and not a lot, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, wow. Guys, come check this shit out. I'll bring it to you. Wow, look at that. Steak, egg, and cheese bagel. It's like calling me. It's like, oh my God. Just eat me. Eat me. It's like my wife last night. But hold on. Steak, egg, and cheese bagel. What's up? You know, I did it. I made it. It's a copycat. Guys, go look for my other video. This is February of 2022. I'm giving away free Weber. Somewhere in the description will be a link to that video. Go watch it. I got cheese stuck to my tooth right there. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Get the fuck out of here. We're done. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Fuck my diet, bitch. I'm eating this shit. You want to buy it? You want to buy it? We don't give one anyway. She is mine. Yeah, Barbara. You ain't turned that shit off yet? I said goodbye to everybody. I said get the fuck out of here. You guys aren't allowed in the backyard no more. It's time for me to eat my food. Guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.